Welcome back to Lucida calligraphy class. In the previous video, we learned Lucida calligraphy of capital letter A to M. And today, we are going to learn capital letter N to Z. Okay? So I hope that all of you are practicing at home. So practice, my dear children. Why? Because, as I have told you in the earlier classes, a good handwriting is the symbol of a disciplined character. I repeat, a good handwriting is the symbol of a disciplined character. Okay? Come on, let's get into the learning of Lucida calligraphy, capital letter N to Z. Okay? So, for this also, we have to learn the strokes. Capital letters N to Z, we have to learn the strokes. Okay, now let's start. So, the stroke, mainly the stroke is the slanting from right to left. Okay, slanting to right side. That is the main stroke. Okay, so once again, and then slanting to left side. Okay, so when we join these together, we can get capital N. Look. We get capital N. Next we have O. Capital O. Once again, capital O. Okay, so when we join them together, we get O. Okay, so next we have capital P. First you have to take this stroke and then here. So we get capital P. Look. Capital P. Once again. Next we have Q. Same like O. And the next stroke is, you have to learn this stroke. When we join them together, we get Q. Next we have capital R. The stroke slanting to right side. And the next stroke is like this. Okay, so when we join them together, we get capital R. Next we have capital S. So it is the joining of two strokes like this, one here and the other one here. When we join them together, we get capital S. Next we have capital T. So we have this stroke here. Capital T. You should not take the curve too much. If you do this one too much bending, that becomes capital J. Once again, we have to take the stroke only up to here. That becomes capital T. Next we have capital U. take this stroke, the another one. When we combine them together, we can get capital U. Once again, next we have capital V. So we have this stroke slanting to left side. And then we have another stroke slanting to right side. When we join them together, we get capital V. Look. Next we have capital W. For that also we have this stroke and the stroke to right side. Repetition of left side and right side. When we join them together 2 times each, we get capital W. Look. We get capital W. Next we have capital X. For this, we have to take the stroke slanting to right side. Then we have to learn a curved stroke like this. When we join them together, look. We get capital X. Next we have capital Y. That is similar to capital U first stroke. And then we have another stroke like this. So when we join them together, we get capital Y. Look. Next, lastly, we have capital Z. We have to practice this stroke. And then the strokes landing to right side. When we join them together, we get capital Z. So with that we complete capital N to capital Z of Lucida calligraphy. Now let me write them capital N to Z in this last line so that you can practice them. All of you please look. Capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y, capital Z. So dear children, you have to practice those strokes first, and then you have to get into capital N to capital Z of Lucida calligraphy. Now let me show you that into your copywriting book. So dear children, you can see how I am going to write them in the 4-line book. Okay, capital N to capital Z of Lucida calligraphy. First, I will write the strokes. Okay, so the strokes slanting to right side, then the strokes slanting to left side. When we join them together, see, we can write capital N. Right? Now, capital O. Once again, you do semicircle, join them, we get capital O. Next, we have capital P. Slanting, and you learn this stroke. When you join them, we get capital P. Next, we have capital Q. It is almost like O. Okay, now we have to learn this stroke. So when you insert that with that O, that becomes Q. Next we have capital R. This stroke similar to P, joining that in this way. You learn this stroke like a Hindi letter, and when you join them together, we get capital R. Next we have capital S. So it is the culmination or the combination of these two strokes. So we start here. Okay, capital S. Next we have capital T. Same like J, you have this stroke, and take the stroke, but you should not bend it too much, only up to here, that is capital T. If you bend it more, you bring the curve, that becomes capital J. Okay, once again, when this stroke and slanting the stroke to right side, only a little bit bending here, we get capital T. Next we have this stroke and this one. When we join them together, we get capital U. Next we have capital V. Okay, when you join them together, we get capital V. Look, capital V. Next we have W. The stroke like this to left side slanting, and then stroke slanting to right side. When we put them twice together, we get capital W. Look. So here we have capital W. Next we have capital X. So we have this stroke, and the same when we take it in a little more curved way to the opposite direction like this, we get, when we join them together, we get capital X. Look. Next we have capital Y. So it is the combination of these two strokes. Look, when I join them, we get capital Y. Next we have this stroke and a stroke in this way. When we join them together, we get capital Z. Okay, so these are the strokes. You have to learn all these. Now let me write capital N to capital Z. Okay, so don't forget to write your class. your name, and the date. Now let us start the letters. Capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y, and capital Z. So you have to write this and the strokes daily one page, and please submit to your English teacher. In the coming days, we will bring new videos to improve your handwriting in Calligraphy Lucida. Thank you. Have a nice learning.